Hey everybody, happy St. Patty's Day. I hope you're drinking some green beer today. And I felt like this was a good time to do a PSA and teach you young guys a couple things about what we used to do back in the old days. You guys are all drinking green beer. You're probably wondering, how do they make that beer green? Well, all the weak people just put a drop of food coloring in the glass of beer and that's it. But here's the real way to do it. So I got myself a 5-owner original Coors keg. You know, this came from my side yard. It's about 10 years old. It does have some beer in it still, so we're going to see if that's good still. I'm sure it's okay. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to take your keg and you're going to want to depressurize it. If you don't, you got yourself a bomb on your hands. So if you got a tap, put the tap on, pull your pressure relief. If you don't have a tap on hand, just stick your thumb on this ball, hold it down, and if there's pressure in it, the pressure will come out. Now, the next step is simple. We are going to remove the core inside this keg. So you just take a little screwdriver, there's a snap ring in here, boom, pop that snap ring out. Now you just grab with your fingers, kind of wiggle this thing around, voila. That there is the flux capacitor. This is what makes keg beer possible. Once you get that thing out, you put it aside. It's okay to set it on dirty things, it's just going to go right back in your beer. Then you take your green food dye, and a keg is 15.5 gallons, surprised you didn't know that. And it's going to take about 14 drips of food dye. So just right here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Boom, that's it. Cap it back up. Slide your flux capacitor back in, line it up. Take your snap ring, put it back in. Then you take this thing back to the kegerator and go make yourself a beer. I'll show you what that looks like. And just like that, you have green keg beer. Hope everybody has a happy St. Patty's Day. I know we are.